Above of all, ahead of all, Kartar Combine Harvester. Welcome to Kartar Agro Industries Private Limited, Amlo Road, Bhadson. We are proud that we have got a chance to share with you who we are and what we do. There was a time in India when people used well to meet the water needs. The company founder, Mr. Amarjit Singh, started the business on a small scale with his father, Sardar Daulat Singh. He made water well containers. Punjab is an agrarian state. After the Bhakra Dam, tube well replaced wells in Punjab. New invention in agrarian tools was needed in those days. And then Green Revolution came in Punjab. In 1964, we started manufacturing seed drills and small implements. After long time and efforts, we produced the first harvester combine in 1975. It was India's first combine. Named Kartar Combine Harvester.
From humble beginning of the manufacturing of Persian wheel, we made India's first indigenous combine harvester. We have the legacy of inventing many new agriculture machines such as tractor-driven combine, straw reaper, straw baler, maize combine, track combine harvester, and many machines according to the need of the Indian farming condition.
It starts with vision. Kartar Agro's largest manufacturing plant is situated at Amlo Road, Bhadson, district Patiala in Punjab. Very reachable from Chandigarh International Airport. Kartar Harvester is a world-class product. Kartar Agro Industry is #1 leading combine manufacturer of India. From the genesis of Kartar Agro for manufacturing Persian wheel, sickle and spare parts in 1975, becoming first combine manufacturer in India. It was possible with the support of co-founders Sardar Harbans Singh, Sardar Ishar Singh, Sardar Kartar Singh, Sardar Parseem Singh, making us a #1 combine harvester manufacturing company by volume. This inspires us for even more responsibility and service towards customers and colleagues and the organization. For wheel self-harvester or result of manufacturing excellence, innovation and sustainability.
We always strive to provide the maximum value to our customers. That's the reason why our products are famous and popular, and we have dominant 36% market share in India.
Kartar Agro always updates to latest technology. Kartar Agro has CNC laser machine, CNC turret machine, CNC plasma machine, HMC machine, and many others. The quality, the performance, the durability and the convenience makes it the Kartar Agro products. The company has always been at the forefront in this, like Multi-Crop Combine Harvester 4000, AC Combine Harvester, Kartar 4000 4x4 Combine Harvester, Kartar 4000 Maize, TAF 360 Combine Harvester, Kartar 3500 Combine Harvester, Kartar 3500 Self Combine Harvester, Kartar Tractor, Seed Drill, Straw Reaper, Rotavator, Notter 636 and a Rake. All products are tested and approved by Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India. Kartar Agro is always at the forefront in many states of India like Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Punjab, J&K, Rajasthan, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana and many others. Kartar Agro team is committed to achieve customer satisfaction by developing and manufacturing precise products through quality management system and continual improvement. By millions of smiles we spread around, by the satisfaction a farmer experiences when he sees how technology has enriched the harvest in his fields. Our products are a result of scientific breakthrough and modern technology, and their highly reasonable prices makes them a favorite worldwide. At Kartar Agro Industries, our employees embrace experience and exude the spirit of ownership and entrepreneurship. This inspires us for even more responsibility and service towards customers and colleagues and the organization. Our quality policy. We invest in superior technologies. We achieve the highest quality standards. We invest in progressive research and development to be meaningfully innovative. The Government of India has certified the Kartar Agro. We have won many awards and certifications. We have won National Award 4 times, Export Award and State Product Award. Our future plan coming soon. Sugarcane harvester. We are always following and focused to knotting, abstraction, responsibilities, technology, accomplished and recognition. Because of these standards, we are Kartar.